Hi guys, I'm Rachel.
I'm Joan.
And I'm Charleston.
And Charleston here is a magician from the group MADgicians, who will be teaching us a few simple magic tricks today. So what do you have to show us?
Right here we have a sword shaker and some serviettes. I'm going to really cause this thing here to go through the table.
Okay.
Watch this, okay? Right there, there, okay. Oh wait, I think I do a little bit harder maybe, like that. Okay, let's check it out. Maybe on the wrong spot, maybe right there. Watch, 1, 2. There you go. Oh,
wow.
wait, where did the sword shaker went? I think right there. There you go. There you are. So look, okay? So look at this ring, okay? It will tilt from left to right, from top to bottom. But what if I can tell you that it will travel up?
It's moving.
Alright, so are you girls ready on to the secret?
Yes.
Okay, a sword shaker. So cover up like that. So what you do, you tap it, just like that. Right, there's sound, there's a shape, okay, there's a visual, there's a sound, they believe it's under there. So what happened here, looks what happened. If you were to let loose, it will drop. So when I do this, I do not actually bang on the ring. I tilt it a little bit, like that. So that kind of warm up the magic as well. So like that, and wait, one more time. So on the third time, you have to really drama the whole thing out. Then you take it out, then you just, crap, this doesn't work. So that's the time when you pick up the, maybe it's on the wrong spot. I think I put it right there. That's a perfect diversion and perfectly natural for you to drop the sword shaker under your lap. All right, I have to cross my legs right there to block the view of the sword shaker dropping. So that's a secret, and the shape is right there. I still believe it. So let's try again. 1, 2. Oh, you take the bottle, continue the motion. That was a tough one, and that's your rightful ring. Thank you for that. The traveling ring, a rubber band for you. Put the ring through. So the actual secret is that it is the rubber band that is moving, not the ring. All right? So you hold the rubber band with your left hand like this, and this one, the right hand, grab a whole lot bunch, but not to the extent that it reveals down there. Okay? So stretch it so you have a whole lot bunch in your right hand. So just gently let loose of the right hand. The ring should climb up. Okay? So try again. Grab here, this hand let go, and grab here, yes. And pull and stretch, relax, okay? And let it slide out slowly from this hand. And when the ring starts to move magically, you say, that is magic.
So we've learned how to do simple magic tricks. Now we're going to move on to more magical things, which I don't think we will be able to master in a day, but they will be showing us what to do.
I'm going to get you a magician, another magician, a partner of mine.
When did he appear?
That's magic. What about me? I specialize in close-up magic. The beauty about it is you get to see in front of your eyes and feel it. So this is something I would like to share with all of you. So for this, I'm going to use a mat. Alright, so now we'll be trying this magic with a deck of cards. I won't be using the entire deck, just 4 playing cards and 4 coins. Now, what I want to try is to make the coin to jump from one place to the other. I'll be using a playing card to cover each of the coin. I want to get the first coin to jump from here all the way to here. To do this, you need to do a little magic gesture like that. Get a coin and just like this, you can see the coin jumps from one to the other side. And now for the next one, from here. Drops, and 1, 2, 3, it jumps as well. And for the last one, in fact, you guys can do it too, not me. Take the coin from here, take it out, and then just drop it.
So
like
just
that. Yes.
Take the coin.
And then just drop it over there.
And then just drop it.
Yes.
Okay.
Now what? I don't want to touch it. You go ahead. You turn over the cards and see what has happened. And nothing over here as well. And that is close-up magic. Okay, now We don't need the mat anymore, so because I want you guys to feel the magic happen. So we just leave this aside, and can you both maybe just, everybody just stand up? Okay, same like before, we'll be using 4 coins and 4 cards, okay? Each of the cards will be covering one of the coins, okay?
Alright.
For the first one, you actually see the coin jump from your hand to your hand,
Okay.
okay? 1, 2, 3, just like that. For the next one, you felt it, right?
Yes.
Now it's your turn. You will
Okay,
feel the
I
coin.
feel it disappear.
You will feel the coin.
Okay.
Both at the same time. One
Alright.
disappear and one appear. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Just like that. And for the last one, I want both of you to feel it at the same time, okay? Now 1, 2, 3. Now there is 4 coins vanish
Wow.
your hand.
Yeah. Do you have any more to show us?
Yes, of course. I'm sure you guys know what this is, yes. Polo,
Yeah,
mint.
the mints, yeah.
Now I want you guys to watch closely on the mints.
Alright.
1, 2.
Oh.
You see that? Mints
Wow,
are linked
how
together as one.
did that
Can you put the
happen?
hand like this? Just a little pencil, yes. Onto one of the candy, just like that. Now, 1, 2, 3. And in fact, I want to give this out as a souvenir. So I want you to keep this.
Thanks for the souvenir.
You're welcome.
But anyways, thank you for spending the day with us and showing us how to do all the magic tricks and showing us the more
Thank you for having us.
amazing magic tricks. Thank you, and thanks for watching, guys. Bye.